Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we'll guide you through how to cancel your Milestone credit card. Now starting off, before contacting any of the Milestone customer service, gather this information. That will require your Milestone credit card and account statement along with the 4-digit, that is the last 4-digit of your credit card. Now go ahead and dial your Milestone customer service, that is 1-866-453-2636. Navigate the phone menu to reach the representative for account closure or cancellations. When connected with a representative, state your intention to cancel your Milestone credit card. The representative will likely ask for some verification details like your name, address, and the last 4-digit of your credit card number. Make sure to provide this number. Then, ensure that you have zero balance in your credit card, and also you have cancelled all of the annual charges that is linked to your credit card. Make sure that you ensure and confirm all of this before you confirm the cancellation of your account. Request for a confirmation that your account will be closed and ask when it will be reflected. You will most likely receive a mail regarding the confirmation of your account. You can ask for a written documentation regarding this. And yes, currently this is the only feasible way to cancel your account, as it is not available from any of the website or the Milestone application. Also, currently Milestone is not offering any of the live chat option, so you need to directly contact to the customer service for this method. Make sure that you go ahead and give this a try, and we hope that we were able to help you. Thank you so much for tuning in.